All right, so I'm back here at the backsplash job. The last piece of Schluter strip came in that we needed, and you can see windowsills are in. That part of the backsplash is what I had to finish. So now we'll let this dry overnight, and I'll be back in the morning to grout everything, and this job will be done. Like, comment, subscribe. All right, so I've got the grout mixed up, and I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna work my way around the countertop, getting this grout in, and then this job will be nearly done. So all the grout is done. All that's left is to continue to clean up the haze and excess grout. So once I get that to where it's satisfactory, then I can go ahead and install the electric outlets and switches again and put the cover plates on, and that'll be done. All right, so now all my grout is finished and cleaned up. All my electric outlets and faceplates are back on. So the only thing left to do is 3 days after this grout finishes curing is to put on a sealer, and this project is done, set for a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.